Welcome to the Explainer. Picture this. You've just arrived at your brand new home in Houston. The moving truck is finally pulling away. You're literally surrounded by a fortress of cardboard boxes, and all you want to do is wash your hands and grab a quick glass of water. You turn the tap, and nothing. Not a single drop. It's a high-stakes scenario that catches so many new residents totally off guard, but today we're going to make sure that absolutely doesn't happen to you.
If you've just moved to Houston, or even if you're just relocating across town, figuring out a new city's utility landscape can be incredibly stressful, right? There's just so much to coordinate, and frankly, water is the one thing you simply cannot go without. But hey, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into this. I promise you a clear, totally hassle-free guide to getting the water flowing in your new Texas home so you can focus on unpacking instead of panicking.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be looking at 1. Houston's unique water system. 2. Prerequisites and timeframes. 3. Step-by-step setup process. 4. Understanding rates and fees. 5. Troubleshooting and customer support. And 6. Pro tips and insights.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, Houston's unique water system. So there is a fundamental split in Houston's water infrastructure. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. On one side, you've got the City of Houston Public Works, providing direct municipal service to over 2.3 million residents. But if you live out in the suburbs or certain county areas, you might actually be served by a municipal utility district, or MUD. These are independent, locally elected boards that govern water and sewer for specific neighborhoods. The crucial takeaway here is that your exact street address dictates whether you deal directly with the massive city bureaucracy or one of the hundreds of independent MUD operators. Just to give you an idea of the sheer scale we're dealing with for the City of Houston Public Works, it's absolutely massive. They treat a staggering 146 billion gallons of water every single day. They're maintaining 7,000 miles of water lines and 39 wastewater plants. It's literally one of the largest and most complex systems in the entire nation. Understanding this immense scale kind of gives you some context as to why their procedures are so rigid and why navigating this huge, fragmented network means you need to be highly organized.
Moving on to Section 2, Prerequisites and Timeframes.
Okay, the documentation protocols here are incredibly strict, so you'll want to get this right. Whether you're dealing with the city or a MUD, you're going to need your government-issued photo ID and your social security number for a quick soft credit check. Now, if you bought your home, you must provide proof of ownership like a recorded deed or your mortgage statement. If you're renting, pay close attention to this one. You need your complete lease agreement signed by both parties, and it has to explicitly state that you are the one responsible for the water service. And here is a major trap to avoid. If your lease is handwritten, it absolutely must be fully notarized to be accepted. Finally, for businesses or HOAs, standard W-9 forms are a no-go. You must have an official EIN certificate.
So when should you actually start all this? 5 to 7 days. That is the magic number. You need to initiate your water service application 5 to 7 business days before your scheduled move-in date. Seriously, if you wait until the day before you move, you're almost certainly going to be dealing with a service disruption. Bureaucracy moves at its own pace, you know? You have to get ahead of it.
All right, Section 3, Step-by-Step Setup Process. Here is your battle plan. Step 1, figure out who you actually need to call. Just go to hcad.org, that's the Harris County Appraisal District website, search your address, and look under the taxing units. If you see a MUD listed there, boom, that's your provider. If not, you're with Houston Public Works. Step 2, gather up all those documents we just talked about. Step 3, apply. For city residents, you can do this online or by calling 713-371-1400. And Step 4, pay your deposit. Oh, and by the way, if you are a City of Houston customer, your water setup automatically bundles your sewer and trash services together, which is honestly super convenient. Once you finish those steps, activation usually takes about 2 to 3 business days.
If you do fall under the city's jurisdiction, you can just use their dedicated online portal, houstonwaterbills.houstontx.gov. Now, if you're the type who prefers to handle things in person, you can definitely visit their administrative office at 4200 Leland Street. But a quick word of caution here. The Leland Street office does not accept cash or check drop-offs on site for any of those required initiation fees or deposits. You're going to need to pay those online, over the phone, or at authorized third-party retailers like Kroger or H-E-B.
Let's look at Section 4, Understanding Rates and Fees. When it comes to the upfront costs, whether you're with a city or a MUD, expect to pay a standard service deposit somewhere in the range of $100 to $200, especially if you don't have an established credit history with them.
But here's where it gets kind of interesting. Different MUDs have completely different rules. For example, the Sunbelt Freshwater Supply District typically charges a $200 deposit for owners, but that actually drops to $100 if you can provide a required reference letter. Also, a lot of MUDs, like Harris County Freshwater Supply District 61, will hit you with a one-time, non-refundable connection fee, usually around $25 on your very first bill. Knowing this stuff ahead of time totally prevents sticker shock when that first envelope arrives in the mail.
Now for Section 5, troubleshooting and customer support. Listen to this. I opened it one day and it was $2,400. That's from Amanda Isgate-Bussey, a Houston resident who, in late 2025, opened her typically $150 a month water bill and was staring at a charge in the thousands. No way, right? And she wasn't alone. Residents all across the city reported their bills surging dramatically without any warning, far beyond any normal rate increases. It is a completely terrifying prospect for any homeowner or renter.
So, what actually caused this massive spike? Well, investigations revealed a few different culprits. In some cases, it was incorrect meter calibration. Meters were literally counting hundreds of gallons instead of tenths of a gallon. Yikes. In other cases, residents were getting hit with extended billing cycles, getting billed for 34 days instead of the standard 30. And sometimes it was just unexplained billing system glitches. But here is the most crucial takeaway for you. If you ever get a wildly high bill, do not just pay it. The solution is to immediately file a formal universal adjustment request with the city. This triggers an individual investigation and is your absolute best weapon for fighting incorrect charges and securing a credit on your account.
Let's wrap up with Section 6, Pro Tips and Insights. Here are a few fantastic insider resources you should absolutely take advantage of. First up is the WATER Fund. This is a program fully supported by voluntary donations that provides financial assistance to seniors, low-income, and disabled Houstonians who might need a little help paying their bills. Second, if you are a city customer, go download the HTX Collects app immediately. Houston has a very specific heavy trash schedule that alternates every month. Odd months for tree waste, even months for junk waste. This app tracks the whole shebang for you so you don't get slapped with a fine for putting the wrong pile out. Finally, a quick autopay warning. While it is super convenient, activation timing varies wildly between providers. Always verify that your autopay is actually active in the system before you assume your bill is handled. Otherwise, you might end up paying late fees. As always, please keep in mind that bureaucratic procedures, rates, and policies can and do change. The information we've covered today is based on current data, but you should always verify the latest details directly with Houston Public Works or your specific MUD provider to make sure you have the most up-to-date guidance. And with that, we've decoded the Houston water system. From identifying your specific provider to gathering the exact right documents to protecting yourself from crazy billing errors, you now have the blueprint. The moving boxes are waiting, but at least now you know the tap will actually turn on when you need it. So, are you ready to get your Houston water flowing, or are you going to let the bureaucracy dry you out? I hope this explainer has left you feeling informed, secure, and ready to conquer your move. Thanks for learning with me today.